All right, here at the 2024 Collision Conference at the York Region booth, I'm Marc Saltzman, sitting with Mallory from Gibbly to learn all about her startup. Hi, Mallory. How's her show going?
Hi, so far so good, thank you.
Excellent. Good to hear. Please tell us about Gibbly. What's the company all about?
Sure, so Gibbly is a edtech tool. We help teachers save time on lesson prep. So they spend about 5 to 8 hours per week creating lessons and quizzes, and we help them do that in a fraction of the time with generative AI.
Oh, awesome. I'm going to ask you more about what genAI platforms you use, but yeah, I've heard this as a big issue among many school teachers, including those in grade school, grades like JK all the way up to 6 or so. Is there a sweet spot for the grades that you're targeting this platform to?
We found that most of the teachers who use our platform are grades 3 to 8, but we actually have professors in post-secondary using the product, and we have teachers as young as pre-K using it as well.
Awesome. Now, I know there are other platforms like this, if I may. May I ask you what makes Gibbly unique?
Yeah, so we have a pretty big focus on accessibility and gamification and making it good for Ontario teachers. So we actually have a lot of support for French language, a lot of accommodations for diverse learners, and our platform is fun. So they create a quiz and they can gamify the experience for their students really quickly.
Awesome. And tell us a bit more, please, about the genAI or generative AI that you're employing to make your product or service a better one.
Sure, you want to know like the model we're using?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, so we use OpenAI's API. We kind of offer GPT 3.5 for the techie people listening to do most of our product, and then we offer 4.0 with some of the more advanced functionality like translations. It's particularly good at translations, so that model is used for the translation piece.
Fantastic. What's your connection to York Region?
York Region has been amazing to work with. We've done the Click program with them. We also were one of the Starter Company Plus programs last cohort, and we're now in the Y-Space Tech Accelerator. So the City Richmond Hill and York Region has been amazing at moving our business forward.
Excellent. Sounds like a deep connection. And then finally, for those who you're not interacting with here at Collision, where can they learn more about your company online?
Yeah, so they can reach out to us. It's www.gibbly.co. We're on all the social media platforms as well. Gibbly.co or GibblyCo is our handle.
And it's GIBBLY?
Yes, GIBBLY.co.
Right, .co for co. Thank you so much for your time, Mallory.
Thank you, Marc.
Have a great rest of your show.
You too.